Okay, so this is Pop Alchemy. Let's just show you exactly how much stuff there is in here. You have your break beats, you have your R&B stuff, you have claps, hi-hats, you have kicks, perks, percussion loops, and snares. You have 2 serum presets, you have thumpy top layers for your kicks to make them sound a lot more thumpier. But the biggest kit in this bundle is for sure the Y2K Essentials, which includes a lot of like MIDI clips for your drums. You have your claps, all of them inspired by Tate Mcrae songs. You have fills to add some more energy. You have hi-hats, you have kicks, you have perks, percussion loops. So here I have a very simple idea for a Y2K song. All of the drums here are from the Y2K Essentials, and this is how it sounds. So if I wanted to add some more percussions here, I could just go into my percussion loops, add that loop in, and it should sound very good already. My favorite things in the Y2K Essentials is for sure the tone snares, which is essential to make that Tate Mcrae greedy kind of sound. And also I love the thumpy top players for your kicks. And since I'm a huge fan of R&B and trap music, and since Tate Mcrae makes a lot of that sound, I love the R&B Essentials kit. This is just perfect for making your song sound so good. I mean, the kicks already have so much punch. This one is called Favorite because it is my favorite. You have breakbeat snares, you have a breakbeat loop. So in this bundle, you have everything you need to make good sounding pop drums, just like the ones you hear by Tate Mcrae and the Kid LAROI, for example.